Now page number 22. First one, jump 2 steps forward. It means we will have to add 2 to the previous number. So first one is 104. Then next will be 106, 108. Now we have 4 dash. So 108 plus 2 will be 110. 110 plus 2 will be 112. 112 plus 2 will be 114. And 114 plus 2 will be 116. You have to write this in textbook. Next, jump 2 steps backward. It means we have to subtract 2 from the given number. First one is 262, then 260, 258. 258 minus 2 will be 256. 256 minus 2 will be 254. 254 minus 2 will be 252. And 252 minus 2 will be 250. Next, jump 10 steps forward. So 110, 120, 130. 130 plus 10, 140. 140 plus 10, 150. 150 plus 10, 160. And 160 plus 10 will be 170. Now jump 10 steps backward. It means 200, 190, 180. 180 minus 10 will be 170. 170 minus 10 will be 160. 160 minus 10 will be 150. And 150 minus 10 will be 140. Now continue the pattern. In these questions we were given what we have to do. But in these questions we don't know what we have to do. We have to find out from first few numbers and then we have to follow the pattern. So first is 550. Plus 10 gives 560 and plus 10 gives 570. Plus 10 will be 580, plus 10 590, plus 10 600 and plus 10 610. Again next one 910 plus 10 920 plus 10 930 plus 10 940 plus 10 950 plus 10 960 plus 10 970 and plus 10 will be 980. Next is 209. 209 minus 2 will be 207. Minus 2 will be 205. Minus 2 will be 203. Minus 2 will be 201. Minus 2 will be 199 and minus 2 will be 197. Next one we have 401. 401 plus 1 402 plus 2 403. Sorry, 401 plus 1 will be 402. 402 plus 1 will be 403. 403 plus 1 will be 404. Plus 1 will be 405. Plus 1 406 and plus 1 will be 407. So this will be the answer. Page number 23. We have numbers 143, 210, 242 and 552. We have to divide into 3 parts. So what we will do, first number will come in first box. See here first number is 1. So it will come in first box. Second number in second box and third number in third box. Likewise first number in first box, second number in second box and third number in third box. Next, first number in first box, second number in second box and third number will be in third box. First number in first box, second in second box and third in third box. Likewise you have to write this in CW. Now page number 24. In this also we have to divide first number in first, second in second and third number in third. First number in first box, second number in second box and third number will be in third box. Repeating the same thing. See, now in the last one we have only 2 numbers which is pronounced as 55. So we will start from the right side. We will write 5 and 5. Over here we don't have any number, so we will write 0. So this will be the answer. Now you have to do match the following. I come between 40 and 50 and there is 5 in my name. Now if you see numbers which come between 40 and 50 and which has 5 in its name, the number will be 45. I am writing answers over here. You have to write answers and questions and answers in your CW. First one I am showing you how you have to do. First one will be question. I come between 40 and 50 and there is 5 in my name. So the number will be 45. Like this you have to write answer. Next one. I have 9 in my name and very close to 90. Now we have only one number which is very close to 90 and which have 9 in its name. The answer will be 89. So you have to write question over here and then answer, which will be 89. Next one. If you hit a 4 after me, you score a century. It means we have to do 100 minus 6. I am showing you here 100 minus 4. So 0 cut 10, 0 cut 9, 1 cut 0. 10 minus 4 will be 6 and 9 minus 0 will be 9. So answer will be 96. Next one. I am equal to 10 knots of 10. It means 10 multiplied by 10. 0 zeros are 0. 0 into 1 will be 0. Over here we will write 0. 1 into 0 will be 1 and 1 ones will be 1. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 1 plus 0 will be 1. So answer will be 100. Next one. I am a century plus half century. We all know that in century we have 100 and a half century will be half of 100, which will be 50. So 100 plus 50. So 0 plus 0 will be 0, 5 plus 0 will be 5 and 1 plus 0 will be 1. So answer will be 150. Now next is I am exactly in between 77 and 97, which will be 87. So you have to write over here 87. 87 is exactly in between 97 and 77. Now page number 25. How many are this? See, you have notes and certain other things given on this page. You have to count and write. You have 2 notes of 100, which will be 200. So we will write 2. And 4 notes of 10, which will be 40 rupees. So 240 will be the answer. You have to write this in textbook. Next one. You have certain packets. These are 3 packets of 100 each. So this will be 300 and 1 packet of 10. So we will write 1 and you have to count this. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So answer will be 319. Next one. These are cubes. 2 cubes of 100. So we will write 200. It means 2. 1 cube of 10. It means 1. And 2 cubes of 2. So 202 will be the answer. Next is we have beads. This is of 100 beads. So we will write 1. These are 3 beads of 10. So we will write 3. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 beads. So we will write 8. 138 will be the answer. Next one. These are 3 notes of 100 rupees. So we will write 3. These are 2 notes of 10 rupees. So we will write 2. And after that we don't have any note. So we will write 0. So this will be the answer. You have to write this in textbook. Page number 26. I am Chanda Mama. I have so many friends which twinkle in the sky. Yes, you are right. My friends are stars. Matlab, Moon is saying, I have so many friends which are stars. One day, all of them came to my home. I started counting to see them, how many friends had come, but my friends were too many. So to remember their numbers, I did something like this. Now Chanda Mama has friends called stars, but we all know that stars are many in number. So what Chanda Mama does is he is following one trick. I counted one star and kept one card in my pocket like this for one star and two cards for two stars. Then these are for how many stars? You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this will be 5. So you have to write 5 over here. Next is when I had 10 cards, I changed it. When I had 10 cards, I changed it to with this card. So this will be for 10th card. So students, I am writing over here. This will be for one card or one star. This will be for 10 stars. Now, but my friends kept coming, so I had to count more stars. My pockets were getting full, so when I had 10 cards like this, I changed it with a number 100 card. So when we have 10 cards like this, it will be 100 like this. This will be 100 stars. But I have so many friends that my pocket kept getting full. Just see how many cards I have. Page number 27. Alright, everybody in a line, we will play a game. Now Chanda Mama finds a trick that he will put all the stars in line and then he will count. We all know that there are innumerable stars in the sky. So we will have to find Chanda Mama will have to find a trick to calculate them. See, first one is 19, which is given. For 1, we will draw a square and write 10 in it. And for 9, we will draw 9 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now this is 19. Second number is 21. So for 2, we will write 2 squares. 1 and 2. And for 1, we will write 1 triangle. Next is 95. For 95, we will draw 9 squares. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And for 5, we will draw 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next is 201. Now for 100 stars, we have a circle. So we will draw 2 circles because we have 2. Now 0. So no squares and 1. So we will have to draw a triangle like this. Next is 260. Now as we have 2 circles, 100 and 100. Now 6. So 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In that we will write 10. And 0 triangles because we have a 0 over here. Next is 300. For 300, at first place we have 3. So 3 circles and 0, 0. So no squares or triangles. Next is 306. Now we have 3. So 3 circles, 1, 2 and 3. 0. So no squares and 6. So 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now next one. We have 344. So 3 circles, 1, 2 and 3. 4 squares, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next is 350. So as there is 3, we will draw 3 circles, 1, 2 and 3. 5 squares because there is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And no triangles because there is 0. And last one is 400. So 4 circles because we have 4. And no squares or triangles because we don't have any number. It means we have 0. Now page number 28. On page number 28 we have certain boxes, and in that boxes we have few hundreds. It means few circles, few squares and few triangles. So we need to count them and write. So this is first one is given 10 and 10. 10 plus 10 will be 20. So we will write 20 over here. Next is 2 times 10. So it will be 20. So we will write 2 over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 times 6. So this will be 26. You have to write 26 over here. Next is 300. So we will write 3. And 110. So we will write 10. Likewise we have 100. So we will write 1. And 310. So we will write 3. And no triangle. So we will write 0. Next is we have 4 times 100. So we will write 400 because we don't have any square or triangle over here. Next one we have 100. Let us count. We have how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we will write 6. We have no squares. So we will write 0. And we have 3 triangles. So we will write 603. Next one we have 300s. So we will write 3. We have 110. So we will write 1. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 1. So 360. Next one we have 4 times 100. So we will write 4. 3 times 10. So we will write 3. And 1 time 1. So we will write 1. Next one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 times 100. So we will write 10. We don't have any square. So we will write 0. And we don't have any triangle. So we will write 1000. So 1000 will be the answer. This is chapter number 2, page number 28. Here we complete our chapter number 2.